Morning.
Bukay na rin. Padaki lang rin. Kayo sa rin.
What did I do in my dreams? Did I run?
They woke you up.
Yeah.
They woke you up to give you someone's body.
Huh?
There is a delivery.
Uh,
So open.
uh. Good thing it's tiny, not a cobra.
Yeah, but I'm just like the young one can be very dangerous.
Oh,
When they bite you, we don't know when to stop. We don't know how much,
oh, just like a
how
vampire.
much venom to inject in you.
Yeah.
The big one, no.
No.
Yeah.
I bite, I go.
This one will just keep putting everything.
Ah, beautiful day. Maayong buntag. The tagline just plays automatically.
Yeah.
Sarah Pedun once again.
Hearing my sandals.
I can hear. So cute. You're like that kid who just got her new sandals.
One, and you're excited.
Time check, alas 7 ng umaga. Wala na kaming tubig. So mag-iikip kami. Maaga pa ako nagbihis. Si Maring Sara pa dun din kasi today, sadly, isang huling araw namin dito sa probinsya. So kita nyo? Okay. Ingat. Ingat! Oo. So natapos na nilang araro etong side at saka dito. Pagdating namin hindi pa naaararo ngayon, tapos na agad kasi dahil dun sa mga baka. Wala na kaming tubig guys. Naglalaba kasi, laba, luto, ligo. So, kailangan natin gumalaw-galaw, exercise. Nilaban ko yung aking jacket. Kaya wala akong jacket ngayon. Kasi isa lang yung jacket ko. Lois? Yeah. But, yeah, she's sleeping because it's not locked from the outside. Where's the bike? Yeah.
Because we can get water, but now carrying it.
Yeah. So, kailangan namin mag-igib ng 4 na timba. Kaso wala kaming bike. Where is the bike? Magising na si Lois. Si Lois kasi may sarili siyang bahay dito sa probinsya. Yoga! Morning! The villagers are up. Your ancestors. Good morning. Puno ng orange. Ang ganda talaga ng puno na to. Ayan o. Wow. Sayang hindi season at hindi sila hinog, pero sobrang tamis nito kapag ka nahinog. Dun, dun, dun. So,
I think it's there.
paano kami kumukuha ng tubig dito sa probinsya, knowing na yung poso ay malayo? We use,
But this one is a finished one. This one I've left for the boys.
yes, but we can still use to push if it's if we don't have a lot of option. But we have another bike, you guys. So eto gagamitin natin para mapadali yung paghakot ng tubig. Itatali siya sa gilid. And that's how we transport our water from the borehole to the house.
Even two like this, if it's a good bike.
Yeah, if it's a good bike.
Two jerrycans up. Like that.
Like that. Let's go. So maghahakot kami ng tubig. Etong bike na to guys, medyo hindi na siya okay. Kasi wala na siyang upuan. Pero we can still use this one para magtulak ng tubig. At least makasakay tayo dito ng 2 galon or 4 mamaya pagtulungan na lang kasi walang tubig eh. He's going to borrow the bike. One more bike.
No.
So Maring Sara is carrying.
I'm not going to push now.
So,
I don't want to fall.
eh.
Then he said, "Oh, let me think, let me think about it." This is that hard.
The way they were asking for the 500 shillings yesterday
Yeah.
from your dad. Then they came back when all of them are chewing.
Niyo ba susubian?
I don't know what they bought.
Kusirin lasores. Mugat. Just like a mandazi.
Exactly. And then they said they will not get that much more. They want 500. Then later they came back. Oh, because even this one is broken. It's only for pushing.
It's strictly pushing.
Here we go. Yeah, we're getting a walk. Lois.
A few moments.
So you got the seeds for your uncle. You think he did not have shea,
I knew he had.
but
But
not
I
as
thought
many.
maybe he would tell me, oh yeah, let me take one to Soroti. He said, no, look at the trees I have here. I'm even going to cut down some. Because you see, it gets massive. It gets
Yeah,
so big.
yeah, it gets so big.
Oh, but I finished.
Mm.
The remainder.
So medyo tahimik ngayon, guys. I don't hear the farmers shouting to their cows. I don't know what happened.
Maybe they plowed the land. Maybe today they just
Planting. And kasi kapag ka maingay sa bukid, ibig sabihin, nag-aararo sila kasi ganun
Oh
yung...
no, today also they're going to elect, they're going to vote for the youth.
Oh,
So the
today's
youth who
election.
help in the garden,
It's
yeah,
not
are
there.
going for elections.
Oh, okay.
And our cousin is one of the youth leaders, the one who
Yeah.
took us on the border.
Joe. So dahil meron silang local event ngayon, local election for the youth, wala masyadong tao sa bukid. Normally ganitong oras medyo maingay na, may sigawan na, sinisigawan na yung mga baka na mag-araro. So, tamang-tama, wala kaming kakompetensya sa kanilang poso. So it's not bad. Yung unang punta ko dito sa poso parang ang layo, pero ngayon ang lapit lang pala. Ayun guys, oh. Look at the sky. It's so nice. Alhamdulillah. I'm going to see this one on my TV. God is good. I was here at Amuria district of Soroti, Uganda. So tatlong pinaka-main tinatanim dito, mani, soya, tsaka mais. Ay, salamat, walang tao. Oh.
That's my uncle.
Your uncle? The one in yellow shirt?
Yeah.
Brother to your father?
Cousin.
A cousin. Sweet potato, kamote. Guys, kung malaki ang pamilya natin sa Pilipinas, mas malaki dito sa Africa kasi dito, they are clan. Clan. So, sobrang laki ng clan. What?
I'm asking him,
Where to pass?
where do I pass? He said, you just go past that, but first go and get the hoe.
Oh, yeah, you coming without any work to do?
And I've not seen him in I don't know how many years. He's now coming me with a hoe.
Yoga! Yokuna!
Oke, kemarin beberapa indah, bet ngabung do. Kita sama bet awan yang ngojo.
Nyo, mam je beta bung nase.
Mama,
Alam sila nyo deki.
mama jeni. Cause I bet ngalo situ mon. Mo itu putus second.
Alam kami guys ha, dito pag nanakaw ha. This one is okay.
Yeah.
It's okay, I'll hold. We broke our breakfast! Hi guys! Agahan namin to. So So kapag nagkuha tayo ng mais, para sigurado na hindi tayo magnanakaw, kailangan nating putulin yung puno. Kasi pag hindi natin pinutol yung puno, para tayong mga magnanakaw na ayaw natin ipaalam na kumuha tayo ng mais. So dapat ganun yun dito. So meron na akong mais.
Yalama.
Yalama.
Okay.
Yalama.
Nete sungore.
Yalama.
Broadcasting.
Eh.
Maro ginyal na kinama.
Soya?
No, beans.
Beans.
But you see, she's just broadcasting like.
Okay. Bye-bye. Dito sa probinsya ng Uganda, imposibleng pumunta ka at bumati sa mga tao nang wala kang bit-bit pa uwi. Kung hindi manok, kambing, kung hindi kambing, prutas, kung hindi prutas, gulay, kung hindi gulay, mais. Ay. How come they're not using cow to plow? Cow. To plow.
And then he has a problem with his hand. He can't play with the cow.
I'll do the other one. This is even shea, but not very big. Shea.
These are still young.
So marami sa inyo nagtatanong paano kami kumukuha ng tubig dito sa probinsya ng Uganda. Tara. Yeah. That other one is full?
Yeah, we can come. I can.
Here. Yeah, oh, you have. Ay, that's all. That's full? Eh, okay. So, eto meron silang DIY embudo. Dapat eto walang magnanakaw, guys, kasi eto may purpose. Ayan. Yoga.
Dia jadi. Dia jadi.
Your grandfather seems to be a small guy.
Nanya
Pardon?
Small guy.
My grandpa. He was small because he was too old. But he wasn't a small guy. He became small when he was like 90 something.
Okay.
You need help.
That's okay. So we tie ours, right? So dapat, guys, kapag ka kumukuha ng tubig, at least tagdalawa. Kasi mabigat.
Dia ya.
Kailangan may maghahawak ng bisikleta habang naglo-load ng tubig.
Musuh gue. Dia lagi loh ya.
Musu gudu chidesi.
Take lu ngapa lu?
Arpa bigang awalnya. Kita kakek. Kita cuma. Kita kabar nih. Durian nih. Sikit. Ya kak, kita.
Wala wala po nang.
Ya kak, turun lagi. Turun sup kira itu kes.
Na.
Nen subuh. Durian nih. Kali kita. Kita. Cuman kuana.
I feel like coming to clean this well in the evening.
Why?
A few moments.
So, aalis sana kami ngayon guys. Pupunta kami sa palengke. Pero bago ang lahat ay tinawag kami ng nag-aalaga ng mga baka dahil siya daw ngayon ay magagatas. So, gusto nating makita yung way nila ng paggagatas dito sa probinsya ng Uganda para din ma-experience ninyo guys. So, gatas or milk is a very big part of their diet dito sa probinsya ng Uganda or kahit sa Uganda. And fresh milk, not even the ones you buy from the supermarket in the Philippines. Here guys, preskong gatas ng baka. So anong ginagawa nila sa gatas ng baka? Unang-una, iniinom siya ng fresh. So ang nangyayari kapag katapos siyang makolekta galing sa baka mismo, papakuluan siya. As in kulong-kulo talaga para mamatay yung mga bakterya. Ang another product na pwedeng gawin sa gatas ng baka ay ang kanilang cow ghee or butter na gawa sa gatas ng baka. Ginagamit nila yan pangluto or panghalo sa kanilang mga local dishes. So ngayon makikita natin, yan yung baka na kukunan natin ng gatas. Ayan. Oh, she has a lot of milk. Wow.
Eternity later.
As we are going, guys. Today, the villagers will go see more.
Yeah, we're going to the market.
Oh, to the market. We're going shopping today. We are with the rich auntie here. Guys, let's go. So, pupunta kami sa kanilang pinaka-main palengke. At yung palengke nila nagbubukas lang every Friday. So, we are going now. We are, I think it's almost like 12 noon. Hindi ko alam gaano kami katagal doon. Pero this is something na hindi namin talaga na iplano. Depende na lang kung meron kami sasakyan. And right now, meron kaming boda-boda. Ayan si Maring Sara at si Lois. He's making you stop, I think. Is he making you stop? Yeah. Okay. So let's go guys. Samahan nyo kami. Sasama ko kayo. Isasama ko kayo sa kanilang weekend market. Weekend market or weekly market nila. Ano yung itsura ng kanilang weekly market?
dito sa probinsya ng Uganda. So, tara, let's go! Yay! Maring Sarah, you have to guide us now. So now we are at the weekly market, right?
Yeah, so now I'm going to take you where they sell the Lamborghinis.
I like that. And weekly market is away from your house like 5 or about 10 minutes, was it?
Yeah.
By Boda Boda, you guys.
This is the first time I've also been to this market.
Oh, it then happens only once a week.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are
But
lucky.
I think tomorrow also there's a market somewhere.
Look at her with the clouds. That one is Hollywood. We go? Well, we need to get money. Let's not forget to get money, Sarah. Mobile money later. Let's go, guys. So this is the weekly market here in the probinsya of Uganda. Am I seen? I'm not tall enough. Let's go. Mag-iikot lang kami without any... Me too. Yeah. So first things first, guys. You can get first and then I can get later.
There's a hidden one because now we're drawing there.
Ah, okay.
Look at that, it's mine.
So this is their market, you guys, kung saan talaga naglalabasan lahat ng mga benta nila pagdating sa prutas, gulay, karne. So sobrang busy, sobrang saya. Maglalagay ako ng microphone kasi parang masyadong maingay ang paligid. Sorry. And now that I changed my hair, it's very visible. Hey, nice dress. Look. The blue with the yellow. Wow. Smoked fish. So yung napuntahan nating town center the other day guys, konti lang yung benta nila doon, tindahan for grocery at saka konting prutas at gulay. Pero dito talaga sa kanilang weekly market, sobrang daming binibenta. Merong plastic, tsinelas, damit, sabon, prutas, gulay, mga kakanin na ginagawa nila. Oh, I thought these are mobile money. It's okay, we can just take a walk slowly. Wow guys, sobrang daming action na nangyayari ngayon. It's very interesting how I have the experience ngayon na makita itong kanilang weekly market. Kasi ang mga weekly market na na-experience ko, weekly market ng Pilipinas, weekly market ng Thailand, pero I've never been to a weekly market sa probinsya ng Uganda. Actually, first time ko to. So, sobra akong na-excite talaga. Oh, there, mobile money. So, kuha lang si Maring Sara ng pera kasi wala kaming dalang pera.
Sarah? She's a beautiful girl! Ibukan no! Ayaw ni Sarah na kulay ko! Nila DJ Emma the baddest!
Hi, Lois! Say hi! Yoga! Sexy.
A few.
So dito sa may local weekly market nila guys, kahit yung mga small business owner, pwede sila dito magpwesto talaga kasi sobrang daming taong pumupunta knowing na ito lang yung weekly market nila dito sa probinsya. So imagine, ang iba naglalakad pa sila, ang iba walang means of transportation, nilakad pa nila ng umaga para lang makabili dito. Samantalang yung iba, merong bisikleta, merong boda-boda, so okay na okay. Katulad nitong binibilhan namin ngayon ni Maring Sara, is just a small business owner you guys. Ang pinibenta niya lang ay asin, toothpaste na maliliit na kasashay, mga maliliit na Vaseline na local brand, sabon na local made as well, at saka mga maliliit lang na bagay. So ganitong klase lang ng negosyo guys. Goods na goods na. Ang iba naman, kung ano lang yung tanim nila, like kamatis, kamatis lang yung benta nila. Pagka sibuyas, sibuyas lang. Kapag ka repolyo, repolyo lang din. So mamaya mag-ikot-ikot tayo. Pagmasdan yung maigi guys, itong lokal na palengke or a weekly market na sobrang laki for the people who lives here around the area sa probinsya ng Uganda. Yan lang yung benta niya guys, pakonti-konti lang. So namili si Maring Sara, total of 10,600 Ugandan shillings or around 106 pesos. Battery, you got battery for the radio? That's not the one? Oh! Yeah. I know, it's very hard. Yeah, I have. Alright guys, so mag-iikot lang kami ngayon kasi wala naman talaga kaming nakalista na kailangan naming bilhin. Pero as we move around and we shall see something na kailangan namin, maganda din na makabili tayo sa local community. So tamang-tama guys, kasi ilang araw na ding umuulan, as in bagsak talaga ang ulan, pero ngayon talagang maganda yung sikat ng araw. So na-enjoy ng mga lokal yung kanilang palengke. Beans. Oh! Yeah.
And they're selling it.
Yeah, business
How
is
much
here.
are they? Maybe that's for planting. Especially those ones. Yeah, for planting.
Ay, ay.
Let me be in front of you. Guys, you can be behind so that in case of anything,
can't do
you're
that.
coming up.
Ah. So mostly dito guys, nadadaanan namin ang mga babae nagbebenta ng mga iba't ibang klase ng beans. Merong black eyed peas, merong mung beans, merong red beans, merong black beans. So pagdating sa beans, marami silang beans dito. Merong soya beans. Yung mga lalaki naman, ang binibenta mostly ng mga lalaki, mga gamit sa bahay. Shea seeds. Oh, dried already. Ready to be roasted. Beans. A lot of beans. Seeds. I saw the seed that we planted.
Can we try?
Which one? I'm not sure.
No, you have to. If you buy, you have to go back home and prepare. She's not sure.
Yeah. Just try.
She thinks she'll be running. But she doesn't know the difference.
If we can find a bigger one. Maize, beans, yoga. So talaga naglalagay lang sila ng mga sako guys. Then yung sako, yan na yung uupuan nila. Yung iba naman, bumibili sila ng sako for their products or yung mga bibilhin nila sa palengke. Kasi mahirap dito, boda-boda lang yung sasakyan, mode of transport mo. Tapos minsan hindi mo mahawakan lahat. Kaya ang technique doon, bumili ka ng sako at ipasok lahat sa sako. So ngayon we are going to pass through Ukay-Ukay Center. Hand clothes. Interesting. Oh, mucho mo de. Barbecue station with the liver. My icy food. Now this is Sarah, anyone who needs sleeper,
Yeah.
I can get for them.
I need to get for you. There's an auntie of mine. It's 500.
Quite high, eh? And we have to buy many.
DJ sayang, mama said you can see kay. If we are taking more than one pair. Eh? Di siya kamun.
Kasi merong mga bata dun sa compound ni Maring Sara na walang tsinelas. So gusto ko sana budlan namin ng tsinelas. Pero sabi ni Maring Sara, maghahanap daw muna kami ng maayos na nagbebenta na hindi kami dadayain sa presyo. Dahil nga ako ay iba yung kulay ko. So minsan tinataasan nila yung presyo. So dahil marami din yung bibilhin natin, at least may mga bata doon na kailangan ng tsinelas, hindi tayo masyadong mabigatan sa presyo. Yeah.
Go back to the other guy because I didn't get my balance. Hey,
Which guy?
the one I bought things. How much? 5.
Oh, that's big.
Where do we pass? Here.
Here. Or here. We cross like this.
Hey.
So, eto naman dito na side, guys, ay mga second-hand clothes or ukay-ukay. So, sa mga gustong bumili ng mga damit nila during the weekend market or weekly market nila, which is only Friday, pwede silang pumunta dito. Kasi nakita ko dun sa kanilang, sa kanilang town, sa sentro lang, walang ganito, walang limitado lang yung benta. So, if you would like to get everything at once at makatipid ka din at mas mura, it's better pumunta sa ganitong klaseng palengke, yung weekend market nila. At every probinsya, merong kanya-kanyang schedule. So, eto, every Friday. Who? What happened?
There's a boy I want to get t-shirts for.
That small boy.
Who works at Tatai's place, eh? The one who works, eh?
We can get them. He doesn't have clothes. Yeah, that's the one. That's his size.
For the one in blue. The other
Yeah.
one is a bigger boy. He's called a record, I think. Where's Lois? She has gone.
Lois. Lois is there. Yoga.
This says can't fit here.
It can fit that one. I know that one cannot. That's for the blue. The one in blue. So bibili si Maring Sara ng ukay-ukay kasi may mga batang inampun yung kanyang lola. Yung lola niya patay na. Ngayon may inampun yung lola niya ng mga bata kasi gutom daw dun sa kanila. Dinala dito sa bahay nila sa probinsya. Ngayon wala silang mga damit, guys. Eh, ang layo namin sa city. So sabi ni Maring Sara, bibili kami ng gamit ng mga bata, tsinelas, damit. So eto na yung pinaka-the best natin na option, yung kanilang weekend market. Otherwise, wala na tayong ibang mapupuntahan. Malayo tayo sa syudad. What is he trying to say?
He's just trying to say.
This one is made from the rice.
This is like mandazi.
Yes, this one is the rice ball.
This is the rice bowl.
I know, I had rice balls before.
So you're going to try today.
It's very nice, by the way, that rice ball.
Kabala yenta.
No, I think we can even manage better than making it a big one.
But precious, imagine this getting cold all the way.
Put here.
This one is okay, but this.
That's what. Okay, fine.